Before any space comes to life, it begins with a process built on precision, patience, and years of craftsmanship. For over 50 years, Furniture International has been manufacturing interiors that are not just designed, but are built to last.
My name is Sahil. I'm a third generation family member that's within this business.
It starts with the material, carefully selected, measured, and prepared for production. Every cut is deliberate, using precision machinery. Each component is shaped to exact specifications. No guesswork, no shortcuts. From there, the work moves into craftsmanship. Edges are refined, surfaces are smoothened, details are perfected by hand. For upholstered pieces, structure meets comfort. Frames are assembled, cushioning is layered, and fabrics are carefully fitted to bring both durability and finish together. Then comes finishing. Each surface is treated, polished, and sealed, enhancing the natural texture of the material while ensuring long-term durability. And finally, assembly, where every element from joinery to fittings comes together seamlessly, ready to become part of a complete space. Furniture International, creating timeless spaces.